Jason was the son of the king of Iolcus, Aeson. When Jason was still a baby, his half-uncle Peleus, vying for the throne of Aeson, killed all of Aeson's children and overthrew him from the throne. However, he failed to kill Jason. Jason was sent by his parents to the centaur Chiron. Just like many heroes before him, Chiron nurtured Jason into adulthood. Peleus, in the meantime, learned from an oracle to be wary of a man wearing a single sandal and coming from the countryside. Now a grown man, Jason returned to Iolcus to attend some games held by Peleus, in honor of the god Poseidon. During his travels, he lost one of his sandals in the river Anorus. While helping a disguised Hera to cross, Hera secretly blessed Jason at that point, intending to use him as a tool to bring about Peleus' demise in the future. Jason appeared in front of Peleus, and introduced himself as the rightful heir of Aeson. Recognizing the danger, Peleus asked Jason what he would do if he met the man destined to bring about his death. Jason replied that he would send that man to fetch the Golden Fleece, and so, Peleus did just that. He gave Jason the quest to bring the Golden Fleece to Iolcus, promising him that once he did so, Peleus would step down from the throne.